In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram ads problem. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Instagram application. Now tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen and tap on the three lines icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select Settings and Privacy. From here, you want to scroll down until you see the account type and tools. Now you want to switch to a professional account. We'll just choose any from here. Tap on next. And now you have the professional account set up. So if it still doesn't work for you and you still have the ads problem, maybe you need to be the admin of the page also on Facebook. So if it still doesn't work for you, you want to go back and go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. Now you want to make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.